Exercise number 3, ready, start. In so-and-so, within bracket start, 1979, for SCC 389, bracket close, this court answered in affirmative the question whether the High Court can review an order passed under Article 226 of the Constitution and proceeded to observe. Bracket start SCC page 390 para 3 bracket close full stop. But there are definitive limits to the exercise of the power of review stop. The power of review may be exercised on the discovery of new and important matter or evidence which after the exercise of due diligence was not within the knowledge of the person seeking the review or could not be produced by him at the time when the order was made. It may be exercised where some mistake or error apparent on the face of the record is found. It may also be exercised on any analogous ground stop, but it may not be exercised on the ground that the decision was erroneous on merits stop. That would be the province of a court of appeal stop. A power of review is not to be confused with appellate powers, which may enable an appellate court to correct all manner of errors committed by the subordinate court staff. Bracket start emphasis supplied bracket close under order 47 rule 1 CPC. A judgment may be open to review inter alia if there is a mistake or an error apparent on the face of the record stop. An error which is not self-evident and has to be detected by a process of reasoning can hardly be said to be an error apparent on the face of the record, justifying the court to exercise its power of review under order 47 rule 1 CPC stop. In exercise of the jurisdiction under order 47 rule 1 CPC, it is not permissible for an erroneous decision to be reheard and corrected stop. A review petition, it must be remembered, has a limited purpose and cannot be allowed to be an appeal in disguise stop. In view of the aforesaid facts, reasons and judicial pronouncements, we see no reason to entertain this review petition as there is no error, much less an error apparent on the face of the record in our order dated 29th July 2020 in WP within bracket C number 4695/2020 stop. The review petition is accordingly dismissed stop para. Issue such other writ order, direction and further orders as the Honorable Court may deem just and proper in the facts and circumstances of the case stop. Having heard the learned counsel for both sides and looking to the facts and circumstances stop.